So, hi, dear Capricorn. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general relationship reading for all the Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 13th till the 19th of April 2026. Okay. The roles can be reversed also, honey. And please don't try to force yourself to fit into the reading. Sometimes the messages are definitely not for you. Please, please, please use common sense while using internet based readings. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Okay, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, honey. Cappies, let's see what we have. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now. We have the Ace of Wands. Okay, Capricorn, somebody is very, very attracted to you physically and they think about you a lot. They feel like having a physical kind of intimacy, intimate kind of relationship with you right now. It's like all they can think about right now for you is physical chemistry. Very attracted, very infatuated, and can't stop thinking about you in that way. Let's clarify the Ace of Wands. It can be a new person getting attracted to you, getting infatuated to you, or it can be someone who is suddenly getting those kind of feelings for you, physical intimacy kind of feelings. Let's clarify the Ace of Wands here as their feelings. We have the Nine of Cups and the Five of Wands and the Ten of Wands. Okay, it's like along with this strong chemistry, sizzling chemistry that they're feeling for you, they feel like you really make them happy, you really make them excited, you really make them feel like heaven on earth kind of thing. But these feelings are coming with a lot of drama, conflict, and lot of heavy and burdensome kind of energies too. So this person is feeling like even though they feel infatuated and attracted and whatnot for you, this is not easy for them to continue this connection or even start this connection. Take it how it resonates with you according to your energies. This person is feeling like this situation is quite difficult to deal with because other people are also involved, and this is definitely very heavy and burdensome kind of energy. Okay, so this is someone who feels like starting or restarting a chapter with you, but physical intimacy energies are more than love here. Actually, love is not here. uh, Strong pull, strong attraction is there, physically, sexually, right? Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Capricorn? King of Pentacles, you being a typical earth sign energy, you guys are feeling like you should be very focused on money, job, career, finances, and long term stability. You guys are feeling like you should create some kind of long term stable kind of energy for you that you can rely on, mostly related to your finances or career. I don't think so. You are super focused on a relationship right now. Let's see, let's clarify the King of Pentacles as your feelings. Or even if you have feelings, even if you are feeling like okay, going in a particular direction, you are keeping it very, very cool and calm, very, very grounded. We have the Page of Wands, the Ace of Swords, the Ace of Cups. This is a new person around you, new energies around you. You guys are feeling something for someone, you guys are feeling infatuated, attracted, but not on the level the other person is. But at the same time, you guys are feeling like you have the proper clarity and understanding of what you should be doing and what you should not be doing in this direction, but your heart is telling you otherwise. So it's like a conflict, it's a conflict between your head and your heart. Your heart is telling you something else, your head is telling you something else. So you are trying to play it cool and you are trying your best to shift your focus somewhere else, like on stability, money, job, career, finances. And this is how Capricorn operates most of the times. When they're conflicted or in any kind of chaotic kind of energy, they shift all of their focus on their abundance, prosperity, and money and whatnot. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Capricorn? Two of Wands, what they want from you is they just want to wait for something maybe to happen here. Either they want you to choose them, or they have other option that they are dealing with. That's why this situation might be very, very chaotic and dramatic. So they just want to wait for the right time when they will be able to choose the right direction, the right person between you and someone else. And if you're dealing with someone else also, they are waiting for the time when you might choose them at some point of time. This is what they want. Let's clarify this. Two of Wands here. We have the Knight of Pentacles, the Hanged Man, the Chariot. Before moving forward, before giving up fully on this connection, on this bond, whatever the situation is between you guys, they want to wait and watch. They just want to surrender to the divine and see things from a totally different perspective and try to understand things from your perspective too. So before moving forward, they want to give it a last shot energetically, meaning they want to wait for something to happen in this situation so that they can move on fully or be with you fully, right? So they just want to wait and watch and hope for some kind of good results to come out of the situation so that they can make the right choice and make the right decision and then move forward accordingly. Okay, let's see what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies. Page of Pentacles. You want to keep things really very, very casual and friendly. That's it. Casual, friendly, very grounded. You don't want to give any kind of false hope to anyone. You don't want to fall for any kind of trap. What's wrong? You guys are not allowing your heart to open up. It's crying to open up and you're like, no, stay in your lane. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles as your intentions here. So we have the Three of Swords and the Four of Cups and the Strength card. You have been heartbroken before also, multiple times actually, not once only. So you just don't want to get heartbroken again. You just don't want to get disappointed again. That is why you just want to calm down your horses and hold back this urge or desire to fully invest in something without any kind of problem. So you just want to invest maybe 5% or 10% in a situation, not more than that, because you don't want another heartbreak in your life ever again. At the same time, you guys are craving for love, you guys are craving for intimacy, and your heart is craving to come out, and you're like, nope, come on heart, stay in your lane. So you don't want another heartbreak. That is why you don't want to open up to anything or anyone more than 10 to 20%. It's like, yeah, I'm going to say hi to them once in a blue moon. That's enough. We are good to go. I don't think so. That's how it is going to work, Capricorn, but okay. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys here till the 19th of April, honey. We have the Four of Cups. Again, disappointment is here. Disappointment, dissatisfaction, and this energy of I knew it. Okay, you are creating this kind of outcome yourself. Like you are not consciously doing it, obviously, but the kind of energy that you are throwing out in the universe is coming back to you, and that is definitely of fear of getting heartbroken, disappointment, and holding back, stuck energies, delayed responses. Okay, let's clarify the Four of Cups as the potential outcome here for you guys. Capricorn, right? Let's see. So we have the Nine of Wands, the Five of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles. You guys are going to keep your guard so high, and then you are going to stress about this situation. Like, why the hell am I not able to get love? Why the hell am I not able to open up? Because you're not allowing yourself to open up to anything or anyone, and then you're stressing the hell out of yourself, like why the hell am I not able to get the kind of love that I want in my life? Because you're not opening up. You think you're opening up, but you're not. So let's say you met me and we are liking each other's company and we guys are doing good with each other, and the moment you are feeling like you are falling for me, or you are feeling like okay, things can work out or things can go somewhere, you're shutting down. You're shutting down, and you are giving me the vibes of I'm not interested, but you are interested actually, right? And then you are continuously thinking like why the hell you are continuously getting hurt and continuously getting rejected or ghosted, because you yourself is creating these kind of energies around you, Capricorn. That's why even if somebody is going to be interested, they might not be able to enter in your space. How can they, like you have created a strong wall around you, like nobody is allowed to enter here. Okay, so what should I say? Let's see the guidance here for this week for you guys, Cappies. We have the Ace of Wands and the King of Wands and the Page of Pentacles. You don't have to jump into a relationship right away, Capricorn, and you don't have to start a relationship based on infatuation or sexual energy exchange only, right? Okay, listen to your intuition and calm down your horses whenever you're feeling like you are doing too much, either you are feeling like okay, jump all in a situation, don't look for anything else, anyone else, or just keep your guard so high that nobody can enter in your space. You have to find a balanced approach. You have to find a middle ground in these two extremes, and then move forward step by step, slowly but surely. These days nobody understands slowly and surely kind of energies. All people like sometimes, okay, most of the people are confusing sex with love. First thing. And second thing, nobody has the time to slow down and relax and just let things unfold naturally and organically. But that is how healthy relationships are made. So avoid this extremities, either like being in this energy of okay, let me jump into this connection and let's see. I know it's going to fail, so but anyways, let me do this. Or I'm not going to open up to anything in this planet Earth, on this planet Earth, because I don't want to get hurt. So you have to find a middle ground, and then you have to take things slow. Okay, you don't have to jump into any kind of bond or connection just for the sake of infatuation, or just for the sake of fun. It's not going to work out in a positive way then. And definitely try to understand the difference between lust and love. That's very important. If you're looking for lustful energy, you might get it very easily, right? That's very easy these days. But if you're looking for love, you might be the one fucking it up again and again and again. So work on this. Okay, let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Capricorn. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, you can just take the message as the guidance for the situation. And I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple and precise, and your time starts now. Choose a new direction. Choose a new direction is the answer. Let's see. This card is calling you to dig deeper into the direction you are going and make sure you are making the best choices available to you on the path you have selected. This card may also be a call to look at the question you're asking. Do you keep pushing the divine for an answer you already know or have received but are refusing to accept? These cards can be very blunt when it comes to helping you face the truth. So thank you so much for tuning in, Capricorn. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.